Nyandarua, ritoria kwa ni Simon Gure.
Na tugethi nabere moderator wa kanitha wa PCA goko bururi-ini Thegu Mutahi ni atianirie ndeto iria ikoretwo igitambio cigimaine na wendia wa indo itiganite cia kanitha ucio gugituika ni mari hatikaini ya ngombo na mari ugwati-ini wa gutahwo mukawa umwe uria uri mwena wa Mombatha. Thegu ataririe ati kanjo ya 23 na ya 24 ya utongoria wa kanitha uyu gutire mbeca cia ngombo moete no uria mareka ni kugeria uria mangihota kuruta indo cia kanitha ngombo-ini iria cianoyo. Oretie athiriti a kanitha wa PCA kuheana muhwa wao wa uria mangikuruhania kana mangiota kuriha ngombo icio.
And say that in the 23rd and 24th General Assembly we haven't sold anything as a church. That needs to be understood. That the 23rd, 24th General Assembly has not sold anything this far. That I say without fear of any contradiction. Of course, we know that we are at risk in regard to Mirere Mombasa, because a receiver has been there for over a year. And we have been asking for ideas that can work of how we can redeem the hotel. We have been asking for ideas that can work. If we are not able to redeem it, the receiver and the bank, or rather the bank will sell it at the fall of the hammer. And you know what that means. It will be a big loss. And that's why in our fertile minds, because we are creative people, I've always told you that, we have said if we are not able to redeem it ourselves, we would rather sell it ourselves rather than wait for the hammer and the hotel sold at a loss. But those who carry very good ideas about how it can be redeemed, there's still time because it's not sold. So we do not promote politicization of that matter, because as I said, the 23rd and 24th General Assembly have not sold anything of PCA, but the hotel is at a threat. If there are people with brilliant ideas that can salvage the hotel, they are very welcome. And we have given them the offer, they haven't brought the idea yet. They are only saying it is wrong to sell. But we are telling them, okay, if we don't sell it, the bank will sell it. However, if there is a better idea of redeeming it, yours truly is open to that great idea of redeeming it. But I know that the board and the foundation, the business committee have wrestled with the matter. They have struggled with the matter to a point where they have said, if it has to be sold, let it be sold by the church. If the bank can allow us to do that. Rather than wait and say we are not selling, then some other forces sell it and we experience loss. Perhaps if we sold it, we could have a saving. Repay the loan and have a saving, because you know the church had invested through Kairete. Maybe we could get some money to give to the shareholders. So that's the situation. So I plead with those who are talking about sales of PCA property to do their research properly. 23rd, 24th General Assembly, we haven't sold an item, but there is a possible sale, either by the bank or by ourselves. There is that possibility. But if we are aware of redeeming it, men and women, it's very welcome. The 23rd and the 24th General Assembly have also not incurred any liability. We haven't borrowed a penny from any bank or circle, because we thought it wise to first deal with the liabilities that are in our hands, rather than get into more trouble when we are in trouble already. So I wanted to clear that.
Na tukimurika shigi uteti Senator wa Nandi Samson